Alright guys, today we have a new machinist tool, and this is made by Edge Technology. I ordered this from a supplier out of South Carolina called Travers, and what we got here is a tool that will level out all your tooling on your lathe. That way you will always be dead center. Your tool will always be dead center. You won't have that pesky little nub in the center of your stock that you are doing a fine finish pass, and you know you're not truly on center, so you're moving it up or down a fraction of a hair, but it's still leaving a pesky nub to the point where you can still feel it with your fingernail. And what this will do will eliminate that. So how it works is you first chuck it up. You put that rod in your chuck it up, and there's a ball bearing right here. That ball bearing floats up or down, and then you loosen your tool holder, and then you dial it in, and it's got these increments here. Focus. And you put it right in center where it's supposed to be. You see, this one is, come on, focus. Just a hair off center. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this up like so. And you see, as soon as you loosen it up, it immediately shifts to the right. So we want to back it up just a hair, and then lock it back down. And see that ball moving? There we go, that's perfect right there. Then you take a wrench and you tighten this nut here, and then that's it. It's in center. So that's made by Edge Technologies. I think it's a great way to line up all your tools, and plus it'll make all your jobs a lot quicker, because as everyone knows, setup is the longest thing in a job. So any technology that makes it so that your setup is faster is better and less time consuming. So that's it, guys. If you guys like this content, be sure to give thumbs up, thumbs down. Later.